Good evening, everyone. I hope you all had a great day. We had great weather to enjoy it. 75 was our high today here in the capital city, and a low at 52. Quite chilly. I know waking up was a quite shock to your system. We haven't been cold this cold at least in a while, but it did feel nice, at least a change from the hot winter we've had lately. And we're about average for this time of year, so good ballpark there, but we will see warmer temperatures down the road. And currently we sit at 75 at the airport, 73 here in downtown with clear skies, not a cloud in the sky really, and very low dew points, which I will explain later as there are a lot of fires in the area. Today's almanac, we can see no rain, little rain. Maybe this morning was about a very little trace, but the month to date we're about at an inch, which is right about average, but it's when we look at the annual totals so far, we picked up about 11 inches, which is about 4 inches off average. So we need the rain, and the fires are just an indicator of how dry it is here across Florida and the rest of the southeast, as we do have a lot of red flag warnings out across our area. But currently we sit at 75 degrees here in Tallahassee, 72 in Quincy, and over to our east we have similar temperatures, 73 up in Valdosta and 75 for you folks down there in Perry, a little bit cooler along the Gulf with temperatures in the upper 60s and 70s with that sea breeze. And the relative humidity very low. It feels really dry outside, which is a good thing because it feels really nice, great weather to do outdoor plans, do stuff outside, but the moisture isn't there. So on the positive side, it does feel good, but we do need the rain, and with these kind of humidity values, we aren't going to see anytime soon. Satellite and radar, we do have clouds working in from Mississippi over to the west, and they're coming into our area, which could impact our nightly weather, but no rain to talk about. Going to be maybe partly cloudy sky, but no moisture to really work with, as we do have a dominating high pressure across our area, which is giving us those clear skies and just warm, nice temperatures. Great to end the week. And across the rest of the southeast, this is what we got going on. We have this dominating high pressure here over the Carolinas, which is going to move offshore and provide us with an easterly wind, which you can see with these showers coming off the Atlantic Ocean affecting the east coast of Florida. But this is basically going to bring in smoke, actually not fire, but it's going to bring in smoke from the major fire over Lake City and Baker and Columbia counties, which could affect our weather. So if you have respiratory problems, just stay tuned to the weather and take the precautions, because we will see smoke moving into the forecast tomorrow and into the weekend. So just keep that in mind if you do have outdoor plans and maybe have respiratory problems. If you do have plans for the beach this weekend, or maybe even tomorrow, get a head start on the weekend, we're going to see a northeast wind at 10 knots. Still going to be a little chilly, maybe a little bit too cold for the beach with those cooler water temperatures at 72 degrees, but light waves at 1 to 2 feet. And boating, similar story, a light to moderate chop with a nice northeasterly breeze at 15 knots with 2 to 4 feet. So just take precautions if you do have a little boat heading out into the ocean. And as we take a look into our tonight's forecast, all right, 56 degrees with clear skies, maybe a few clouds working in, as we do have that system over towards Texas and Mississippi moving our way. But overall, it's going to be a very refreshing start, 56 degrees and clear, mild night. Tomorrow, we're going to be a little bit warmer than where we were today. We do see the smoke moving in, as we do have that easterly breeze at 5 miles per hour. But we will see temperatures around 80 degrees with clear skies. And as we take a look into our 7-day forecast, we will see a warming trend through the weekend with temperatures up to 85 by the beginning of next week. Look at those warm morning lows warming up nicely into the low 60s, but moisture will work its way in by the middle of next week.